pathway to citizenship for undocumented folks.
Nearly 800,000 people in the United States can sigh a breath of relief for now because the Supreme Court ruled to allow a program called Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA, and it will continue. It's going to protect them from the fear of being arrested at any time and being forced to go back to where they were born.
In Peru, I wouldn't know what to do because that's a country that I've never have lived in before. It's, the customs are different. And I truly feel that home is here.
Advocates say DACA is important for people who have only known the U.S. as their home and to be functioning members of society.
It makes it much easier to function in society if you have a work permit, a social security number, a driver's license, all those things that many of us who are born here just take for granted. They've relied on those work permits and they've built their lives up. They've gone to school, they've gotten jobs. They estimate that some 27,000 DACA recipients are working in the healthcare industry. So we want them to be still doing those jobs right now. And so it's really important that they be able to keep doing that and keep supporting themselves and their family. And this is really the only home that they've ever known.
And you can't strip away a person from their home because they really want to be here. I really want to be here.
The program was put on the chopping block by the Trump administration, and on Thursday, the Supreme Court ruled 5-4 to keep it going, saying there wasn't good enough reason. But legal experts say that doesn't mean it'll be here to stay forever, because it can be challenged again in the future. The legal expert tells me that something like the version of the DREAM Act needs to be passed by the Senate to provide a more permanent path for dreamers to have stability in their lives. For KRON 4 News, I'm Alyssa Gamonian.